several people messaging asking about Maude and wanting a update. So here is a long overdue update on Maude. So this is a month or two ago when I stopped by the body shop, and they're pretty much almost complete with the body work. You can see the lines are really smooth. There used to be a really big dent on that front left fender that's gone. There was a dent right there on that front hood piece where the emblem used to go. That's gone. Super excited. I actually just ordered all the rubber for it today, and I'm excited to get all the doors and rubber sealed in there. But she is looking super awesome. I need to get all of the trim pieces and the mounting, all the little mounting clips. I need to order those so I can get those to the shop so they can install all of the trim back on once she is painted. And when I did this video, I wasn't aware that, we've been asking them, hey, when are you going to start painting it? And they said, well, we want to get it absolutely perfect. And then yesterday, I got this picture. Holy smokes, they started putting paint on her. I'm so excited. That's the rear door, inside the rear door, which looks super amazing. And this next photo, I believe, that is, well, I guess that's also the rear area. And then that's one of the side doors, the suicide area doors. So super exciting. Also, I wanted to share this. I actually started an Etsy store recently. Not a lot of stuff there. There's a couple of digital downloads, but it's called Haunted Yard Designs, spooky all year long. So go check it out. There's this 2022 calendar download, which is pretty awesome, which are a lot of photos from this year's haunt that we did. And then this really cool skull that I corpsed. I'm going to start adding more props to my Etsy shop, so go check it out. See if I can maybe create some stuff. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and maybe watch another video and hit that like button. It helps the channel. Thank you and have a good one.